My video guide is about removing the new ransomware type threat that is called Ew328. Ew328. This ransomware is not pretty much different from other ransomware type infections, so it encrypts the files and does not let customers use the files anymore. Before the ransomware attack, surely there are no problems opening the files. Unfortunately, it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the existing security system of the specific computer, this Ew328 ransomware may be easily injected into the system. So, customers might restart their computer or simply turn it on someday, and suddenly they realize that something bad has occurred with their files and that their files are no longer accessible. You may track or trace this particular ransomware type threat whenever you open the task manager. So if you find any suspicious processes with this long random name, these are the processes that are associated with this particular ransomware type infection. So let's suppose that you have seen some of your files to be damaged already. If you have noticed that, you are strongly advised to go to the task manager, look for the suspicious processes like this one, right-click on them and end their task in order to stop the further file encryption. This can help you to save at least some of the files from being damaged. The ransomware adds this special extension to the files, and the extension is called Ew328. So when you try to open this specific file, it says that Windows can't open this type of file with Ew328 extension. Of course, the ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So please do not pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware, and we suggest that you do it with the help of Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your device with its help. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching your system, and it will give you the complete summary of all threats that were revealed on your computer during the scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting the majority of ransomware type threats. Its premium version, by the way, has got this excellent anti-ransomware feature, allowing you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected. But once again, it's a part of the premium license only. After the scanning has been completed, the program will give you the summary of all threats, so you'll be able to know their exact location on your system. We recommend you to upgrade to Premium to delete these threats altogether automatically, and with Premium license, your computer and your data will always be protected.